so this is National Distracted Driving Awareness Month, and today we're talking about distracted driving.
Trying to pledge that you will not be driving.
Even when you don't have your permit, pledge that you will
Come on,
drive safe.
This April, TAFE students took on a powerful challenge, Distracted Driving Awareness Month. They wrote a PSA, reminding teens that focus is key, not gimmicks. They created eye-catching posters, digital graphics, and social media posts, spreading the message across platforms. They even reached out to the Richardson Police Department, asking for their support in amplifying their campaign. Their work inspired their peers to take the pledge, committing to safe driving, creating real impact, proving that young voices can make a difference on the road.
Eating and driving and suddenly mysterious car scratches, singing with friends and bam, fender bender, stop the madness. Introducing Focus Drive. Eliminate distractions with just one spray and live distraction free. But wait, order now and get Focus Walk for free. Focus Drive as seen on Distracted TV.
Fictional product. Results not typical. Do not use anything to avoid distractions. Distracted driving and distracted walking are very dangerous. Stay focused on the road and your surroundings.
Focus Drive. Gimmicks don't save lives, so stay focused on the drive.